Mixonites, welcome back to my channel, and today I am super excited to show you all the accessories and customizations I made to my 2022 Tesla Model Y. From a stunning custom wrap to a sleek interior carbon fiber and add-ons and all the practical accessories, I hope you get a kick out of this new video. This car is truly one of a kind and also my favorite vehicle. Technically my only vehicle, but still my favorite, if that makes sense. Scratch that. So let's just dive right in and take a tour of what's inside my Tesla Model Y. First things first, feast your eyes on this jaw-dropping custom wrap by Magic Wraps out here in Sunnyside, California. I wanted to make sure my Tesla was going to be truly unique because there's so many out there that looks just like mine. So I opted for this eye-catching design that combines elegance and also a touch of sportiness, hence the red stripe. The color is satin black, subtle, but it also gives the car a striking appearance, making it stand out wherever I go. Not only does it protect the original paint, but it also adds a personal touch to my ride. If you step inside, you'll immediately notice the luxury feel of the interior. To enhance the cabin's aesthetics, I've added a carbon fiber trim to various elements such as the dashboard, center console, door panels to the steering wheel itself. The carbon fiber texture complements the modern design of the Model Y, giving it a premium look and also feel. Keeping the interior clean and well maintained is essential, especially if you have an active lifestyle. That's why I invested in these high quality custom floor mats. They're specifically designed to fit the Model Y perfectly, ensuring maximum coverage and protection to the carpet areas. Plus, the non-slip backing helps keep them secure in place, no matter what the road conditions are. Next up, let's talk about the practical side of things. A reliable phone holder is a must-have, especially for not only navigation, but hands-free operations. Now, MagBag provides a perfect phone holder that seamlessly attaches to the Model Y's dashboard. Its strong grip securely holds my phone in place with the help of the MagBag case, allowing me to focus on the road while still staying connected. If you haven't noticed, the Model Y already comes with a futuristic instrument cluster, but I decided to take it up a notch and install an external one. It's a small investment, but it also goes a long way providing a bird's eye view of things I want to see in front of me. In my opinion, this is the star of the show. Let's talk about the most distinctive feature of my Tesla Model Y, which is the Yoke steering wheel. Tesla offers a futuristic race car inspired option for those who crave a unique driving experience. The Yoke steering wheel replaces the traditional circular wheel with a sportier yoke-shaped design, resembling a Formula One race car. At first, it may take some getting used to, but once you adapt, the Yoke steering wheel will provide unparalleled control and also responsiveness. Its compact design allows for smoother turns and effortless maneuvering, making driving an absolute pleasure. Plus, it adds a touch of high-tech flair to the car's interior, perfectly complementing the overall futuristic vibe for the Model Y. And also, too, just a caveat to that, when you're taking longer trips, the Yoke steering wheel definitely comes into place to give your hand a great place to rest at. I have a ton more features and accessories in my car right now, but I think this is going to conclude what's inside my Tesla Model Y for now. Let me know which customization you like the most in the comments down below. Every detail of this car has been carefully curated to match the style and the preference that I like. If you see something you like, all the links to the accessories I have in my vehicle will be down in the description below. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found inspiration for your own Tesla customizations. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Stop by my shop, get you some merch. It's hot right now because I have a hoodie on. But anyway, go ahead and get it.